to the levitation faceplate. So there's a coil on this side, there's a coil here at the rim, there's a coil here at the rim. Don't ask me how many turns, I don't know. There's a coil here on this side. So I put 2 coils in between an aluminum. This is aluminum and this is iron silicon. So the iron, 2 pieces of iron between 2 coils that are wrapped alongside the aluminum, and this is aluminum. And this is the resemble like the Iron Man faceplate drop part of the bottom actually. So this is, I just have the bend deformation, but I just want something wide enough to use as an example of levitation or anti-gravity. I am going to be applying permanent magnets here, so I'm assembling them alongside. And I'm going to give it a try. I have a 400 amp rectifier, and I have a 10,000 watt dimmer. So I'm going to try and test out, see what I get out of this, if I get it to lift real quick. Okay, man. And one guy was talking about the anti-gravity unit, and I was going to show him how the anti-gravity unit would work and the faceplate. Now, the coils, one coil is winded upwardly. This is a silicon metal. There's another coil aligned with tight helix along behind the metal. It's winded around, it's spun around metal, iron. This is iron. This surface right here is aluminum, and this is iron. So 2 iron surfaces are hold between is actually 2 iron surfaces bearing aluminum between its surface. So I have 2 winding coils here, and I have a circular induction like a motor, and I have a coil at an angle, another coil spun at an angle. So in the electrical energy winding and repulsive force, it will levitate and cause it to go straight up in the air, while the induction sends the winding energy in an axis, which is causes it to rise directly up in the air. And that's how that system works. 2 separate coils are spun on both sides, so they have about the same amount of electrical energy winding to repulse against the aluminum surface. Both of these are iron, just magnetized, having electrical energy winding. So I'm going to show you how it works. I have a 400 amp, and I have a 10,000 watt dimmer. I'm going to show you how it works with the that's it. It should bear permanent magnets alongside the exterior. So the exterior of the iron frame should be fitted light magnets. So I'm still trying to make sure I maintain the inertial mass, so allowing it to suspend. This is the first electrical energy winding repulsive faceplate part. So see how I apply the magnetic suspension coils local between here. So enabling that to levitate the aluminum, which is the gauge between the winding energy, electrical energy winding. So that. However, I have another winding coil around the front of the base bearing permanent magnets with aluminum and copper and iron. Spun between it. This is a different one on the segment, so it's spun between the aluminum gauge. So for magnetic suspension or anti-gravity levitation system, similar to like this one, which is made out of plastic.